Hello and welcome to CryptoBoy YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer any cryptocurrency from your Binance account to your Trust Wallet account. If you don't know or you are a beginner, so let's get started. Before moving on to this video, if you are new to this channel, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload any video. Because every day we are uploading video about crypto trading, crypto mining and all updates about crypto. As I told you in this video, I am going to show you how you can transfer any cryptocurrency, any assets from your Binance account to your Trust Wallet. Although Trust Wallet is similar to MetaMask wallet, where you can store your funds, where you can swap and buy and sell any token. So if you are a beginner, if you don't know how you can transfer your coins from your Binance to your Trust Wallet, or transfer from Trust Wallet to your Binance, then you don't need to worry, because today I'm here where I will guide you transferring any assets from your Binance to your Trust Wallet account. Does not matter whether you are transferring your Bitcoins, Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, Dogecoin, BUSD, even USDT. All the methods are same. Even you can use this method on your computer desktop. Although today I'm using my mobile phone, Trust Wallet mobile application and Binance mobile application. But don't worry, the same process, the same method you can use on your desktop if you want to use Binance and Trust Wallet on your desktop PC. Okay, before wasting any time, let's jump to mobile application and let's transfer our assets from Binance to Trust Wallet. Finally, I'm on Trust Wallet mobile application. Here you can see the Trust Wallet dashboard. You will find all the cryptocurrency on this page, like Bitcoins, Ethereum, BNB. Or if you can't find the coin that you want to transfer from Binance to Trust Wallet, the coin is not here, so simply click on the option on the top right of your mobile phone. Now in here, search the coin that you want to add on your Trust Wallet. Suppose I want to add Dogecoin, so simply type Doge and turn on the Dogecoin option. Now go back. Here you can see the Dogecoin is added to my Trust Wallet. Now I can transfer Dogecoin. But in here I am going to transfer BUSD. Here you can see BUSD coin. So I am going to transfer BUSD. As I told you, the method is same. You can apply for all cryptocurrency. Now simply click on receive. Then copy the BUSD Trust Wallet address. Go back to your Binance here. Go to your wallet. Now go to your spot. From here find the BUSD coin. Here you can see BUSD. Click on withdrawal. Now paste the BUSD address here. Then select the network. I'm going to select PIP20 BSC because the fees is 0. If you select PIP2, the fees is 0.5 BUSD. If you select ERC20, the fees is 8 BUSD. So I will select PIP20. Arrival time is 2 minutes. Then click on confirm. The minimum withdrawal is 10 BUSD. So I will type 10 BUSD and I'm going to transfer my 10 BUSD fund from Binance to Trust Wallet. Then click on withdrawal. Click on here you can see the details, address, network, coin. Please ensure the network. If you select the wrong network, then you will lose your funds. So make sure to select the correct network. Then the amount fees, click on confirm. Okay, confirm. Now complete the verification, like the code will be sent to your phone number, the code will be sent to your Gmail address. So I will complete this verification and I will be back. Okay, I complete the verification and now click on submit. Withdrawal submitted. Withdrawal request submitted. System processing. So it will take 2 minutes or to 5 minutes. So we need to wait till the time we will get our BUSD to our Trust Wallet. After 2 minutes, I just get my 10 BUSD. Here you can see 10 BUSD. So this is the method how you can transfer any assets, any cryptocurrency from your Binance to your Trust wallet. So successfully our withdrawal is completed and we get our 10 BUSD on our Trust wallet. If I go back here, you can see I have 10 BUSD. The first option, Binance Pay BUSD, 10 BUSD. So I hope you understand this method. So this method is very simple, very easy. Even beginners can transfer their funds, but make sure to select the correct address, to select the correct network, otherwise you will lose your fund. So I hope you just understand this video, and finally we just get our funds. So finally you learn how you can transfer any assets, any cryptocurrency from your Binance to your Trust wallet. I hope you understand step by step. I hope you understand all the process. If you are facing any problem, if you are getting any confusion, so please feel free to ask me in a comment section. So this video is just end up here. I hope you understand everything. So make sure to like this video, share it with your all friends. Never hesitate to type your idea, give your feedback in a comment section. And if still you did not subscribe to this channel, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while you upload a new video. So till the next video, goodbye, see you.